Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel bowling bag from Unahubs.ru. So they are an online website that specializes in high quality replicas, and they have a variety of things on their website, so many different things, and I'm going to name off some of the designers they have. They have Chanel, like I said. They have Louis Vuitton, they have YSL, Gucci, Dior. They also do have shoes, accessories, and clothing on their site as well. When I saw this bowling bag on their website, I was like, I have to have this, because when the Juicy Couture bags were going viral, like in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, there was a Juicy Couture bowling bag that I really wanted, and I love the shape of it. So when I saw the Chanel bag that had the shape of that bag, I was like, I have to have this, because I really wanted a bag shaped like this. And I love it so much. I've already worn it twice since getting it, and I've like literally never done that with any of my other rep bags, like worn them right away. Like this one right away. So I'm gonna just get into it and show you guys, and I'm gonna insert the Juicy Couture for reference because I couldn't find that bag anywhere. So having this bag makes me feel better. So it does come in a dust bag. On their website they don't include a box, so it's just the dust bag, so that was a little different. So you do have the dust bag, and it didn't come with anything else in there. So let's just get straight into the actual bag. The bag is so cute, you guys. So it is like this denim. It's a black denim. So cute. I like this one because it's one of the different type of Chanel bags. I had to look it up and see if Chanel ever made a bag like this, and they did. It's just not one of their more popular type of bags that you see usually, like the flat bags. But this is so cute. I love the amount of space I get with this bag, because I am a mom, and a lot of the times I have to carry a lot of stuff with me now, so I can't carry these super small bags like I used to. So I love the black and gold detailing on it. I love the bowling bag shape. I just thought it was so cute. It does have the CC in the front, and I love the wash of the denim. It's really nice, especially for the fall time. It does have a pocket on the front, so the pocket on the front is very useful. So there's the pocket. You have the CC on the front, and it is a twist. And then you do have the zipper, and then all this space. So I already have a receipt in here. Let me, because like I said, I wore it. Look at all this space I get. Like I can put diapers in here, wipes, my keys, wallet, everything in this bag. I really love this. It does have a zipper compartment, another useful thing. Let me get this together and show y'all. So it has this zipper. Super helpful. And then on the other side, does say Chanel, it has a pocket. So this bag really has good space. Like it has the compartment space. I really feel like this is a good on-the-go mom bag, and it will match a lot of outfits because I wear a lot of black and gray. So it matches with a lot, and then I wear a lot of gold jewelry too. So this bag is just so perfect. So this is the front, and then it has the zippers. This is the side. This side as well. So that's what the top is like. And the bottom does have the gold feet. This is the back side. Up close detailing, it does say Chanel on there. Guys, so cute. The handles at the top, it's like denim. I wish the handles were a bit thicker. They do feel a bit thin and flimsy. I feel like the quality of the actual handle could have been a little bit better. Just like thicker, maybe more stiff. And then the chain is the black and gold. So the bag is super cute. Like, I feel like this is about to be my daily bag. I love it so much. It's so cute for the fall. Very, my baby, very neutral. Like, I really just love this bag. It's so cute. It's more of a fabric material, so I like that I can throw stuff in it versus like the more stiff leather where it's not as flexible of a bag. Like, I can just double it up as a diaper bag, which is awesome for me. So really love this. Super cute. Going to be wearing it a lot. I will have their website and a discount code linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Bye.